Hey there everyone, welcome to the UkeStuff channel and welcome to this tutorial for the song Jingle, Jingle, Jingle All the Way, which was written in 2024 by Stephanie Lavelle. Stephanie is a music therapist who works with preschool children, and she writes songs all the time and publishes them and shares them, and this is the song that she just recently shared in December of 2024. Now, if you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like the video. Second, you can subscribe to the channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. I'll also mention at buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff, you can buy my ebook arrangements of chord melodies of Christmas songs, as well as hymns. Those books are available on the Apple bookstore and also Amazon, as well as a printed format in Amazon, but the cost is higher there as well. Now, what we're going to do in this video, first of all, is I will go over the chords you need on GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele. Then I'll go over the chords you need for DGBE baritone ukulele, and then I'll talk about strumming. If you want to play along with the video, you just play along with the video that appears on the Uke Play Alongs channel. So let's begin with the chords that you'll need. I'll be doing soprano concert or tenor chords first. I'll be using my close concert full carbon concert ukulele. Here we go. The first chord you'll need is the F chord. The second chord you'll need is the G chord. The third chord you'll need is the C chord. And the last chord you'll need is the G7 chord. And those are the four chords used in Jingle, Jingle, Jingle All the Way by Stephanie Lavelle. Now let's take a look at baritone DGBE ukulele. For baritone DGBE ukulele, I'll be using this instrument. This is a concert tom ukulele, and it is not normally tuned GCEA, but I have Pepe Romero baby baritone strings on it that allows me to play it like a baritone with baritone tuning. So let's go over the chords you need to play Jingle, Jingle, Jingle All the Way on baritone. The first chord you'll need is an F chord. Now, that can be a tricky chord for guitar players and baritone ukulele players alike. If that's giving you trouble, here are some tips for you. First of all, take your first finger and put it against strings 1 and 2 right above the metal silver first fret. Now again, if you have a plastic ukulele or other types of fret material, it may not be silver, but in this case it is, right at the top of the metal first fret, and pull against the fretboard. So I'm not gonna try to pinch. That's not gonna work out so well. I'm gonna pull, and I'm gonna pull against the headstock as if I were going to launch something off my ukulele. So I get that, I add my thumb for some support, and that gives me a real clear first couple of notes. And then I add the other 2 fingers in that chord in that cascade. So that's the F chord. Then you'll need the G chord. Then you'll need the C chord. And then finally, you'll need the G7 chord. So those chords generally work really well on baritone ukulele or guitar. The only tough chord is the F chord. And yes, you can. Just remember, the secret is in the pull rather than the pinch. You don't want to get carpal tunnel or other hand issues. If you're pulling, that's going to help you out a lot. All right, one strumming pattern is used throughout the entire song and sometimes just parts of it. So the strumming pattern, I'm going to play a C chord, and I'll do it on baritone in just a second, is going to be this. It's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Slowly, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And if you'll notice, I'm missing certain notes. I'm going down, I'm missing the up, down, I'm missing the up, I'm missing the down, and then up, down, up. And it's fast. So she's going down, down, up, down, up, down, down. If it's a shorter part, like it's not the full sequence on a chord, like she just stops at whatever part lasts for that particular chord in the song. So if you get part of a chord, you're gonna get and just stop. That sort of thing happens all the time. So this continues all the way through and only parts of it when necessary, but that's the whole strum. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And may take you a little bit to get it, but that is the chord sequence that's used. Now, I want to make one thing explicitly clear here, which is there are 3 rules for strumming. Yes, there's a right strumming pattern here, but if you don't play it, as long as, number 1, you're playing the right chord, number 2, you're playing the chords at the right time, and number 3, the strumming pattern fits with the feeling of the song, then you're good. So even if you were just playing down strums here, that would be fine because that would fit with the song. There are some strumming patterns that you would not want to use. So, like you might not want to do a chuck or something like that. It would not fit with the song. So that would be wrong. But otherwise, as long as you're playing the right chords, playing those chords at the right time, and the general strumming pattern fits with the song at the right tempo, you're good to go. All right, let's look at baritone as well. So here we are in baritone, same pattern, just to let you hear it on baritone. Down, down, up, down, down. So like the entrance of the song is F, G, and C. So you'd go, and then you stop. So I'll just do that sequence one more time. It's F, G, C, and then I'm stopping the strings with my hand because that's just what I feel like doing when you hit the stops in the song. There are occasionally spots where it's marked with a stop sign, which means stop strumming, and it should lead you to that. So that should be all you need to play this song successfully. You've got the chords you need, you've got the strumming pattern you need, and of course the video, which you can find at the Uke Play-Alongs channel here on YouTube. All right, thanks so much for joining for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.